Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Ansem's cat token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Ansem's cat HOBBES is a community focused meme coin on the Solana blockchain centered around a feline mascot named HOBBES that aims to foster a playful and creative ecosystem culture meme token. It is designed as a light-hearted, fun-focused cryptocurrency, leveraging meme culture rather than complex utility. Solana-based community built on Solana for fast low-cost transaction. Its primary value is derived from community engagement and shared interests. Ecosystem of passions. The project frames itself as a hub for various hobbies from art to gaming, uniting users around common interests. Ansem's cat token total supply is around 999.99 million and circulating supply is also 999.99 million HOBBES token. HOBBES token is listed on KCX, Radium and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.